us take last example problem on the avian tree. How to apply the rotation. Observe carefully. If you know, do it yourself. Okay. So I take the root node as usual 40. Apply the balancing factor. No left child, no right child, 0. Next 20. 20 is the less than 40. So place here. No left child, no right child. So that total balance is 0. Balancing factor is 0. Next 40 having balancing value with balance factor value is changed. So 1 left side, no right child, 1. Then next 10. Okay, 10 is added. Once 10 is added, this is the balancing factor of 10 is no left child, no right child, this is 0. Here 20 is having left side, no right side, so this 0. Next 40 balancing factor is changed. So 1 2 left side, 0 right side, balance is 2. So now this is affected. So this is affected when is where is affected by what is the reason? Leftmost. This factor is 0. This factor is 0. This factor will be this factor value is changed. So then we can apply which rotation? Left side rotation, that is LL rotation is applied here. So once you can apply the LL rotation, the figure is become, I think you already discussed how to apply the LL rotation. 20, 10, 40, apply the balancing factor, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 left child, 1 right child, total balance is 0. So clear now. Next one more element, 25. Where I can add 25? 25 is the greater than 20 and less than 40. So apply the balancing factor again. So here 0 minus no left child, no right child, 0. Next here how many left child? 1. How many right childs? No. Okay, 1. Next here it is 0. So 1 2, 1 minus 2. Why 2? Right side having 1 2 path. So then minus 1. So all the balancing factor of node is within the range. What is the range? Minus 1 0 1. Okay. Next 25 up to 25 factors are within the range. Next add 30. So where I can add 30? 30 is greater than 20, go to right, already 40 is there. 30 is less than 40, go to left, already 25 is there. So 30 is greater than 25. So apply the balancing factor again. No left child, no right child is 0. Next here no left child, only 1 right child is there, balance factor is minus 1. Next here left side is 2, right side is 0, balance factor is 2. Next here 0. So overall is 1 1 2 3. So right left side is 3, balance factor is minus. So these two roots are affected. These two roots are affected. So where we are applying the balancing factor? Apply the rotation, sorry, where we are applying the rotation. So these three nodes are affected. So this is 2, this is 2, this is in within the limitation. So already I told you the condition is balancing factor is applied among only 3 nodes. Now we are applying the which rotation? Where it can happen? Right side and leftmost. Right, left. So then we are involved right and left rotation. So what is that? What happened? RL rotation, simply which is the last node that become a root node. That become a root node. So after RL rotation, the tree is become 25 is topmost, 20 will be come down, pull down. So 10 as usual. Next in the place 40 is connected. 40 is connected. So 25 right side is 30. 25 right side already 40 is there. Where we can add 30 left side, because if the 30 is the less than of 40. How many nodes? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So then check the balance again. So root 0 0. Here 1 left, no right, 1. Here 1 left, no right, 1. Here 1 2 1 1 1 2. Balance factor is 0. So all the nodes in balance and also followed by search trees. Because of 25 less value is only left side, 25 highest more than 25 value right side, and 30 is less than 40. So it is under BST as well as AVL. Next, any other elements is left. Now we can add 30. So where I can add 30? 25, 20, more than 22. Here I add 22 because of 20 is greater than 20. So 10, remaining 40 and 30. Again apply the balancing factor. So here directly I write 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 left child, 1 right child. Here 0 minus 0, 0, only 1 left, no right, 0. So 1 2, 2 minus 1 2, 2 equal to 0. So all the nodes in AVL tree form, all are balanced. So last node is 50. Okay, where I can add 50. So no place. So I add a 50 node in this position. Okay, the previous tree is 25, 20, 20, 10. I will write the figure here. 22, 22, 40, 30. Where you can add 50. Okay, check the balancing factor is under AVL tree or not, as well as binary search tree. So it is 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So left child is 1, right child is 1, 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Left side 1, right side 1 equal to 0. So total nodes 1, 2, total height is 2, 1, 2, total height is 2, 0. Okay, every node under the factor of this range. So and also it is in the follow the rule of binary search tree. So 25 less value left side, 25 more greater values on right side, as well as all the nodes will be under the AVL balancing factors. So this is the final tree of binary search AVL trees or height balancing tree or balancing trees. Okay, very important, all 4 rotations. Most of the cases they ask a question about these AVL trees with rotations. So I hope all are understood rotations of AVL trees: single rotations, double rotations, LL rotation, RR rotation for single rotations, double rotation, LR rotation and RL rotation. So now I will give one homework problem or exercise problem. You have to do apply the suitable rotations. Either you can apply LL, RL, LR, depends on the rotations you can apply on the same binary tree. So this is exercise problem. I will give a task to you all. So make a tree in unbalanced tree using AVL rotations. So I hope you understood well. So I expect in the feedback from you, that means answer for this question. Send the answer after solving the problem on the paper, or take the snapshot and send to my WhatsApp number. So I will verify whether it is correct or not. It is, all the notes will be under the AVL factors, but don't forget, do the exercise and also maintain the running notes day wise, and which day which video I post. So put a date and write the some valid points under the topics. So this is a very benefit for you all. Anytime you can rewind the videos, recorded videos, and mostly within 2 days we are going to conduct the online sessions to clear all the problems and also solve the problems which I already posted to you, 2 marks questions and essay type questions. Even if you find any difficulties or you are unable to answer the questions, ask the live sessions. So we are conducting question and answer live sessions. Okay, I will send the username password to you before commencement of the question and answer session. Okay, so let us try to solve this question, all of you. I hope you understood well and get the clarity. If you want the clarity, go back to the videos under AVL tree rotations and get some idea and try to solve it and make your final tree in balancing, height balancing. Okay, thank you. These are the 10 marks questions from the third units is covered. So only 2 marks questions are pending, that is a B trees and B plus tree. Maybe they'll ask the 2 marks question most of the cases. Okay, we'll discuss next class. So up to that, all the essay type questions, most of the 2 marks questions will be covered. 1 marks questions are covered. So then again, if you still having any doubts, ask in the question and answer session. Okay, thank you. So solve it. I hope you can do it. So after completion of it, take a snapshot and send my WhatsApp number. Thank you.